How to play with friends. When you start the app on your phone or tablet for the first time, it will present the option to connect your Facebook account. This is the main way that you will be able to play with friends in Scrabble Go. If you're content with single-player games and playing with strangers, you can choose the Play Games option instead. Even with this option, you can still search for friends by name or user ID.
Number 1. Scrabble Letter Tiles. Scrabble Go use the same 100-letter tile set as the original Scrabble game. The Scrabble letter values for individual letters are also the same. Letters like E and S are still worth 1 point, Q and Z are worth 10 points each, and so on. Each player starts with 7-letter tiles. Used letters are replaced with new tiles until they have all been used. You can also use a turn to swap unwanted tiles, but it means you will have to wait until your next turn to play a word. Number 2. Scrabble Go Scoring. The main objective of Scrabble Go is to form words using the letter tiles in your rack along with the letters that have already been played on the game board. Players take turns. You form words in a single row or column, but you also earn points for other words that are formed as a result of playing your single word. All other words must also be valid. As an example, let's say you play the words bait. Bait is worth 7 points, B equal to 3, A equal to 1, I equal to 1, T equal to 1, S equal to 1. If in playing the word baits, you also form the word B using an E that is already on the board, you earn an additional 4 points, B equal to 3, E equal to 1. Your total for that one turn is 11 points, 7 for bats, 4 for B. As a benchmark, an average of 30 points per turn is a great goal to set for yourself. One Scrabble rule you can use to your advantage is the bingo bonus. If you play all 7 tiles from your rack in a single turn, you earn a 50-point bonus. So, playing the word welcome nets you 14 points for the letters themselves, plus the 50-point bingo bonus for a total of 64 points. Number 3. Bonus spaces. The very first turn in a game gets an automatic double word score. The first turn must use the center space. If you play baits as the first turn, it would be worth 14 points. 7 times 2 equal to 10. The Scrabble Go game board also features a number of bonus spaces. DL as a double letter score, TW as a double word score, TL as a triple letter score, TW as a triple word score. You can stack these bonus on top of one another for even more points. If the B in baits is on a DL space and the S is on a DW space, for example, the score for that play would be calculated as B equal to 3 times 2 equal to 6, A equal to 1, I equal to 1, T equal to 1, S equal to 1. Baits equal to 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 10. Double word score 10 equal to 10 times 2 equal to 20 points.
4. Boosts. Scrabble Go also offers a number of boosts you can use during your turn. Quick Word plays a random word from your rack. Rack Swap lets you swap letters without losing a turn. Word Spy shows all possible word location. 5. How to win Scrabble Go. Whereas you may challenge a word in Scrabble board game, this is not a part of Scrabble Go. That's because the game automatically verifies that every word is valid. If you attempt to play a valid word, it will highlight in green. If the word is invalid, it will show in red and you will be unable to submit your play. Winning in Scrabble Go is a lot like winning in Scrabble itself. The player with the most points at the end of the game wins. Get a good handle on useful 2-letter words so you can score multiple words in a single turn. Using hooks and taking advantage of bonus squares are great ways to earn more points too. Strategy and board control play huge roles as well. 6. How to play duels. Beyond the main game mode in Scrabble Go, you will also find duels. While the main idea is the same, form words using your letter tiles. The dynamic is a bit different. Each player only has 5 turns instead of playing until the letter bag runs out of tile. Each turn has a 40-second time limit. You play on a smaller 11 x 11 game board, and you earn prizes based on cumulative wins over a given period of time. This is a much shorter and faster paced version of the game that you play in real time with your opponent.